There are just 4 days left until early voting begins across the state of Texas. In Hidalgo County, voters will decide whether to start paying a new tax. Proposition 1 would create a health care district if approved. Yesterday, Channel 5's Leslie Aguilar showed you what we know about how the proposed health care district would operate. Well, today, she digs into who's behind the push for Prop 1. Leslie.
Right now, it's crunch time for Hidalgo County voters. Will you vote yes or no to Proposition 1? We followed the money to find out who's behind the big push to get it passed. We've all seen the signs. Vote yes to Prop 1. Vote no to Prop 1. The people behind the yes signs started it all. The signs are paid for by Healthy Hidalgo County. It's a political action committee, a PAC, geared towards one purpose, getting a healthcare district started in the county. Who's part of that PAC? Campaign finance reports prove it's the hospitals. Doctors Hospital at Renaissance paid more than $173,000 to the PAC this year. South Texas Health System, which includes McAllen Medical and Edinburgh Regional, paid a total of $50,000. Rio Grande Regional more than $45,000, and Mission Regional just over $14,000. As a group, they paid nearly $200,000 the last time this was on the ballot. Hidalgo County does not have a public hospital, so the millions of dollars created by the healthcare district tax would go to those private hospitals. David Geralt with Futuro McAllen says it's unclear how the funds would be divided.
I think there's for lack of a better term, kind of a gentleman's agreement between the hospitals of how this is going to work. From what I understand, there's a plan. It's just that plan hasn't been shared with the public.
What we do know about the healthcare district would operate is laid out in this statute. The document gives the county the power to create the healthcare district. It was brought to the Texas legislature by State Senator Juan Chuy Hinojosa and State Representative Bobby Guerra. Each received thousands of dollars of campaign funds from another political action committee, the Border Health PAC. That's a PAC made up of doctors, like FAR Mayor Dr. Ambrosio Hernandez. He spoke in favor of Proposition 1 at a bipartisan forum earlier this week. The Border Health PAC was a huge supporter of getting the UTRGV medical school to the Valley. The healthcare district will help fund the medical school. Exactly how is not laid out in this statute.
It's really very vague in the statute. It just says generally that the district can make grants, the language is something like make grants in the furtherance of medical education and research.
The relationship with the med school and the healthcare district is a story for another day. So the push for Prop 1 comes from the hospitals. Those for the healthcare district say it will help provide healthcare to many more people in the valley. Those opposed say those hospitals already make huge profits and taxpayers shouldn't have to pay them more. It's up to you to decide. Live in our Hidalgo County newsroom, Leslie Aguilar, Channel 5 News at 6.